Hi, this is Brian Pfeiffer, the owner of ExploringLasVegas.com. I'm standing here, guys, in front of the Paris. Right behind me is the valet to the Paris Hotel, and right inside those doors, if you make a left, you're going to walk right into Chéri Rooftop. Okay, Chéri Rooftop Lounge is the old Chateau space, and if you guys aren't familiar with what Chateau was, it's a cool rooftop right in the center of the strip, overlooking the Bellagio fountains. Big rectangle type club, had a DJ in the middle, and a nice vibe up there. Okay, what they've done with the place, just so everybody knows, is made it more into like a cocktail lounge. All right, so it's called Chéri Rooftop Lounge for a good reason, because it's more chill up there. They still have some lighting, but not as much as like Chateau had. They still have a DJ in the middle, kind of a dance floor, if you will, but it's going to be definitely more of a chill vibe than what you were getting with Chateau, where you had like more of the club lights and stuff. They still have lights, but just not as clubby-ish. Okay, it doesn't have like the strobes and all that stuff. All right, and the lounge seating is more like couches and lounge chairs, and everything's kind of movable, so they're going to be moving stuff around. So I don't really have like a table plan or anything yet. And I know they kind of made it like that for like weddings, and like the F1 bought this place out for the F1 race, and so they can move everything around and make it more of a dynamic venue to rent out, etc., for special events. So, you know, for the regular weekday stuff, it's just going to be kind of like lounge style seating. You know, there's going to be seats along the glass, seats in the middle, but there's really not like any bad seats. Okay, it's a big rectangle, DJ in the middle, a couple of bars, and it's kind of the same setup as Chateau, just more loungy type seating. All right. During the week, I hear they're going to do $50 minimum per person for you know, for tables and getting in to get a drink. Drinks are about $20 a piece. I did you know, three drinks was $60 plus tip was about 70-ish bucks, and you know, that's kind of standard for Las Vegas. And on the weekends, I hear they're going to be doing $100 person per minimum. Okay, we are going to have some bachelorette packages that are going to be like a little bit less expensive than the typical minimums. And I know they want to get some girls up here and whatnot, so we're going to be offering those as well. Make sure you click on the link below to see all the packages. And then we also have like our packages, which are going to be like your dinner, your men's shows, limos, guys for strip clubs, etc. We have all kinds of different packages for, you know, pretty much everything in Las Vegas, and you can click on the link below and see a lot of those as well. All right. If you have any questions for me on Chéri Rooftop Lounge, my cell phone's above, 773-459-8133. Make sure you hit me up. I'm here to help. And if you have any questions, I'll definitely get everything online, so you can click on the link below and see everything. And make sure you like this video if you like the content. I would appreciate a like on the video, and do subscribe to this channel for more. And if you like my content, bang the notifications bell so you get notified about my next video. I'll be keeping them coming, and I'm looking forward to working with Chéri Rooftop. I'm glad we're back on track. Might be a little cold here in the winter months, and if it rains, it's not too good, but in the summer, this place is always really good. So we're looking forward to being back on track. We'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.